Hello everyone, this is Pranita here. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn Pathshala. So now we are going to know about the lesson Odd One In by Tithi Tavora from Standard 7th English textbook. So let's know about the central idea of the chapter. The chapter extracted take out लिया गया है from the story Odd One In by Tithi Tavora. It is a story of a city girl, Reema, who had too much of an ego. उसको बहुत अहंकार बहुत घमंड होता है. The story revolves around Reema, a city girl who tried to bully. वो भयभीत करती है, घराती करती है, चिढ़ाती है. A village girl, a new student in her class, that is Malti. So, odd one in means something or someone in a group that is different or not accepted by other members. Might be because of their color, their height, their looks, their talent, whatever it may be. So here Malti is different. So she is not accepted by Rima and her. She was not accepted by Rima and her friends. So that's why the name of the lesson is Odd One In. But to be odd is not bad. Now let's see the characters in the story. Let's see characters in the lesson. Rima, city girl. Malti, village girl, new student. Mr. and Mrs. Sen, रीमा's parents, रीमा के मम्मी पापा. शहनाज, क्लेयर, नेहा, रीमा's friends, रीमा के दोस्त. Now let's see first scene. We'll divide this lesson into first, second, third, fourth scene. So we'll see first scene. So as you can see in the picture, Reema, her father Mr. Sen, her mother Mrs. Sen, they sat down for dinner and they had a discussion. खाना खाते वक्त उनकी कुछ बातचीत होती है. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Reema sat down for dinner. So after vacation her school reopens and her mother asked her, तुम्हारा पहला first day कैसा था? So here Mrs. Sen is asking a question. So we can see question mark. She was asking a question. So we can see question mark. So it is interrogative sentence. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. So shrugged means raise slightly and momentarily to express. So uchakna means uchak बोलती है just settling in. So settling in means getting comfortable in new situation. So it was first day of school. तो वो घुल मिल रहे थे, बातें कर रहे थे, कंफर्टेबल हो रहे थे. Any new girls in your class? Enquired her father, Mr. Sen. So we can see inverted commas in a sentence. It is called as quotation marks or speech marks. So it is basically it is used to show that someone has said. It is placed at the beginning of the person's quote and another quotation mark is placed at the end. तो beginning and end में वो quotation mark होता है. So उसके डैड पूछताछ करते हैं कि कोई नई लड़की क्लास में आई है क्या? Only one Malti and she's funny, grimaced Reema as she helped herself to the salad. So grimaced means make a face. So वो एक मुंह बनाती है, चेहरा बनाती है और बोलती है to make an expression of pain, strong dislike. ऐसे एक मुंह बनाती है और कहती है क्या एक नई लड़की आई है. This is her name is Malti. Her name, but she is funny. वो बहुत ही मजाकिया है. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. पापा पूछते ऐसे क्यों कह रही हो? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Reema, naming at the other end of the country. So what she said? She sniffed means नाक को चढ़ाकर बोलती है that this Malti, that this new girl, she did not know English and she is from another state. कोई दूसरे राज्य से आई है, कंट्री की कोई एन पार्ट है, उस स्टेट से वो आई हुई है, लाइक दैट शी said to her father. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are especially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. So Mr. Sen, her father exclaimed, Oh, acha! See, this is exclamation mark. So अचंभित होके, सरप्राइज होके जब हम बोलते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? We put exclamation mark. ओ अच्छा, चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम दैट स्टेट, उस राज्य के बच्चे तो क्लेवर होते हैं, स्पेशली गुड एट मैथ्स, मैथ्स में तो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. हु सेड मिस्टर सेन क्वाइटली. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. Now, here you can see that Rima felt that by seeing her outlook, the way she looked, the hair, the bindi, and the oil she put on the hair. So by seeing her, she felt that she's not that smart. वो इतनी होशियार नहीं है. And she mimicked. Mimic means she imitate. उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, उसको imitate करती है. And she says that good morning, teacher. So now her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. So उसकी mom dad एक glances means take a brief and hurried look. एक झलक में एक दूसरे को देखते हैं. And they loved. Rima is their only child, अकेली लड़की, and they love her a lot. But she could be insufferable means too extreme to bear, intolerable. She is not ready to accept new thing or a child. वो असह्य हो जाती है, नए लोगों को accept नहीं करती है. Will not make things too difficult for poor Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So here Mr. Sen, her father, sighed, means long deep breath he took and expressed that you should not trouble that new girl. तुम और तुम्हारे दोस्त उस नई लड़के के लिए तकलीफ ना खड़ी कर दो. रीमा and her gang decided to do just that. और उन्होंने तो वही करने का सोचा हुआ था. Now let's see second scene. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorus, Good morning. See, so all together Rima's friend chorused means same word they repeat together and say good morning. Actually they mimicked means वो तो मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, नकल कर रहे थे किसकी? मालती की. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, Good morning. So see, this Malti, she was very innocent and with the pure heart, बहुत भोली है. So she did not realize कि वो समझ नहीं पाती है कि वो उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. And she beamed back means she gave happy expression and replies good morning. उसको reply करती है वो. Shahnaz giggled. Why do you put so much of oil on your hair? She asked rudely. So Shahnaz is one of the friend of Rima. And she giggled means she laughed in a silly way. हंसती है और मजाक उड़ाते हुए कहती है कि कितना ऑयल लगाती हो, क्यों इतना ऑयल अपने बालों को लगाती हो, and make fun of her, उसका फन बनाती है. Malti looked offended but did not reply. Offended means to make someone upset or angry, अपमानित करना. So Malti feel उसको अपमान लगता है but वो कुछ नहीं कहती. And the skirt so long, said Claire catchily. And again one of the friend of Rima's, Claire, and she again said about her skirt, and they all purposefully they commented on Rima.
and they all tease her. उसको जानबूझ के वो सब चिढ़ाते हैं. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. So Malti flushed means she get angry and her face get red. उसका face पूरा लाल जाता है. But teacher class में आते हैं and the class progress पढ़ाई चालू हो जाती है. Everyone was surprised to see that whenever teacher asked, जब भी टीचर क्वेश्चन पूछती है, मालती अपना हाथ जो है वो ऊपर उठाती है, हैंड को वो रेस करती है. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So Malti जो है, she gave all the answer right, correct answer, and teacher recognized it. इसका टीचर क्या करती है, उसकी प्रशंसा करती है, उसको अप्रिशिएट करती है. Now let's see third scene. So when Rima recounted this at home, means when she came home and spoke all this to her mom, पूरा वर्णन करके बताती है, तो मम्मा कहती है, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. सुन के तो होशियार लड़की लगती है. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. So Rima जो है uncharitable means very unkind वे में बोलती है कि क्या फायदा है, what is the use? Her English is so atrocious means उसकी English जो है वो बहुत ही poor quality की है, बहुत ही weak है. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. So उसके पापा बोलते हैं, father was sick means he is not happy with her daughter's Rima's attitude. And he told the same way to her, your Hindi is so poor, so atrocious, so weak. So here, even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. वो पूरा discuss करते हैं matter को, Rima's parents. So her mother also did not like the way she behaved. And every parents want that their child should be behave good, that he or she have good qualities. तो इसके लिए वो रात को discuss करते हैं. We put Rima into good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she's turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. So snob means a person with a great respect for high social position or wealth. और वो डर रहे थे कि she is turning into snob, वो तो snob बन रही है, घमंड उसमें घमंडी हो रही है. And we gave her good school because we want her to be best. But वो तो बहुत घमंडी, turning to be very घमंडी, बहुत snob कर रही है. So they concerned about her behavior. Now we'll see next part, remaining lesson in the next part. So for to see next part, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.